Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Coyote Satchel, the woman who abducted and slashed the throat of 8-year-old Daniel Rowe last June, is to be sentenced on November 14. Satchel pled guilty to child stealing and murder when she appeared in the Home Circuit Court this afternoon.
Clad in a white blouse and a black and white striped skirt with red floral prints, the 32-year-old woman who had an intimate relationship with Daniel's father kept her head down as the prosecutor read the facts. Moments after Satchel pleaded guilty, one of her attorneys, Pierre Rogers, told the court that he intends to make a plea in mitigation before sentencing, but said he would need time to prepare his submissions. He also requested Satchel's hospital records. It was also disclosed that she had a miscarriage in 2023. In the meantime, attorney Donovan Collins, who also represented Satchel, told TVJ News following the guilty plea that his client did not waste the court's time. Satchel abducted Daniel from the Brighton Primary School in Portmore, St. Catherine on June 8 while she waited with her younger brother to be picked up by their mother. About 4:30 p.m. the same day, a motorist saw Satchel, who was walking behind Daniel, exiting a derelict building on a premises located along Roosevelt Avenue near the National Stadium in St. Andrew. With her throat slashed and blood oozing from her neck, Daniel walked onto the roadway and into the path of a motor vehicle. She was taken to hospital where she died 2 days later. Satchel was arrested at her job on Lady Musgrave Road on August 11, 2023. She was pointed out in an identification parade on August 25 and charged on August 28. Attorney Matthew Hyatt, who was observing proceedings on behalf of Daniel's mother, Sudeen Mason, says the guilty plea marks the start of closure for the family.
It has been a very rough one. And the mother of young Daniel Rowe lost her child on June 10, 2023. It is certainly a heartbreaking moment for her, as you can expect. Just listening to the prosecution today outlining the allegations was a very rough one. Her voice, you could hear, visibly cracked at moments. And this was a matter that brought national attention. And so Jamaica not only lost a young child, we lost the potential of what could be and who could have been someone great in society. And so it is devastating for the family of Daniel Rowe. Her family has suffered a number of deaths in the past, but this one is definitely a shocking one.
And retired Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey, who was in charge of the crime portfolio, said the police were convinced that they had the right person in custody following their apprehension of Satchel.
It was a very difficult moment, even in the process of interviewing her, and I'm really satisfied. And it's a win for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as justice has been served. The criminal justice system has been, it's a win-win for everyone. And I commend the team, although I'm no longer a police officer, but I commend the team for the effort and for the type of synergy that was exercised during that process of investigation.
Raquel Porter, TVJ News.